that have now been emerging right after when it comes to the passing of the bill in both houses of parliament. After Bihar repercussions that are now being seen in Uttar Pradesh as well, after several JDU leaders expressed dissatisfaction over Nitish Kumar extending support for the bill in parliament, now RLD has seen certain resentment. RLD leader Shehzad Rizvi has now resigned from his post as the State General Secretary, saying that the bill goes against the interests of Muslims, as Rizvi reminded the party president Jayant Chaudhary of the significance of Muslim vote bank and has traditionally supported and voted for the RLD.
इस पार्टी को मुसलमान मुख्य धारा में लेकर के आए। आज मुसलमानों के खिलाफ जो कानून बन रहा है वक्फ का, उसमें जयंत चौधरी साहब ने अपनी सहमति जताई। मैं बड़े मन से कह रहा हूं, जो सेकुलरिज्म की बात करते थे, आज मुसलमानों की बदौलत यहां तक पहुंचे, आज सरकारों में बैठे हैं, आज मुसलमानों ने अपने आप को ठगा महसूस किया। बहुत ऐसी पार्टी जो सेकुलरिज्म की बात करते हैं, मुसलमानों की बात करते हैं, लेकिन जब मुसलमानों को जरूरत होती है इनकी, आज मुसलमानों की जरूरत थी इनकी, जो मुसलमानों के खिलाफ ही कानून बन रहा है, तो इनको डिसीजन जो लेना था वो सोच समझ करके डिसीजन लेना था।
Well, Pradeep, rumblings are already being seen in certain political parties, and these are mainly the allies of the BJP, part of the NDA. And of course, elections are also going to happen in Bihar. How would it actually unfold?
Yes, you're absolutely right, because I asked this question to All India Muslim Personal Law Board chief also. I said that because you had been banking about some of the political parties and the leaders, you had been interacting with them. They said that we thought that they are leaders, but at the end of the day, they proved to be traders. And that's one of the reasons that already we have seen the political rumblings, because in Janata Dal United, because they say that this is the same party that used to normally bank upon the Muslim vote bank. And it is because of the Muslim vote bank today they are sitting in the corridor of power. That's why we have seen that some of them have resigned from the party, because you rightly said, because elections are around the corner and they are eyeing at their particular constituency and they feel this is the right thing to do, because if they will not speak right now, then it's going to be difficult for them to go and ask for the vote during the forthcoming elections. So that's one of the reasons that we have seen that they have resigned from the party. So it's all politics being played, whether it's Janata Dal United, whether it's any other political party. The question is being asked to them, if you are really concerned about the rights of the minorities, why you were completely silent when the lands of the temples were being occupied in Kashmir Valley? Not a single word was uttered when the Kashmiri Pandits were hounded out of their homes by the Pak-sponsored terrorism. That time also you were completely silent. So what minority rights you are really talking about? Kashmiri Pandits
so
are
after
also
marathon and intense debates that happened in both houses of parliament, now that the parliament's second leg of the budget session is over, the passage of Waqf Amendment Bill that has now been done, however, its constitutional validity is now being challenged by Muslim organizations and the opposition parties as well in the Supreme Court. Thank you very much, Pradeep Datta, for joining in with those updates.